Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam here with a 1947 through 51 Jensen 35. This is a brass tagger. I've done a nuclear restoration on it, meaning bead blasted the chimney stand support, firebox. The plinth is very good condition. I like the wire sight glass these have on them. I rebuilt the sight glass. I put a layer of silicone spray on the cord to make it more supple. Very true and very good condition. It's only running on 128 watts and about 55 volts, give or take. We'll open it up here in a second. Let's crank it up a little bit. Put it on 110 for a second. I'll fire it up. Very tight now. If you enjoyed it. Power off. We're down. Very clean. As always, folks, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day now. Bye.